Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix a Venmo payment declined or pending. So the first step that you have to do is to open the Venmo application and then go to your profile or recent activity to see if the payment shows as declined or pending. So next to that is go to the settings, tap on the payment methods, and ensure that your bank account or card is verified and has sufficient funds. Next is to review your weekly sending or receiving limits in the settings. So you will see it in there. So unverified accounts have lower limits and that may cause the declines. Next is if the payment is pending, you can contact your bank to ensure that they're not blocking the transaction. And then banks may flag Venmo as suspicious, so make sure that you contact them if it shows pending. Lastly is after fixing issues, you can retry the payment. So if it's still declined, you can contact the Venmo support through the application's help center. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!